we printed spacers for a laminate locked together floor. And we're gonna test it out and see how it works. All right, friends, so we 3D printed these and we are using them on this flooring that we're putting down. And they do a decent job when it's against the wall when you're going lengthways, but not so great when you're having to pound into this and keep it there. So let me show you this. So on the ends, they're kind of not doing so great. They're kind of snapping and not being super fantastic. On the sides though, they're doing real well. They're keeping the spacing like they should. So I guess maybe you can use 3D printing stuff somewhere, but not everywhere. So I went ahead and made these blocks, and these will now go in the ends, and that way we will keep our spacing. So there you go, friends. Sometimes you can 3D print some items and they're very useful. Other times, not as useful. So make sure you work hard, friends. Do the thinking work before you do the physical work, and then you can work hard physically too, because hard work is its own reward. And thanks for watching.